And that's how it's done. It's finally beginning to feel like fall, and those late season backpacking trips include cozy layers, our cold weather sleeping bags, and, of course, warming food. As some of you already know, I am a convert to cold soaking. I ditched my stove for the final 2 months of my 2019 Appalachian Trail thru hike, choosing to eat cold food and drink cold coffee through late October. But even I can admit that I crave something hot during those autumn mountain trips. Today, I'm filming from the Alpine Lakes Wilderness area, where I'm doing a quick overnight. This video will be a quick review of the OMEALS Complete Meal Kit. These are similar to MREs, or Meals Ready to Eat, but their website states that the heating element doesn't contain magnesium, and they offer premium nutrition and less sodium. Full disclaimer, I am not sponsored by OMEALS. I recently purchased a few of them and chose to sample one on this overnight into the mountains, where the elevation is above 5,000 feet and the temperatures have dipped into the 40s. They only make 2 vegan options, the chickpea masala and the veggie chili, which is the one I ate last night for dinner. I did not pack a stove and still got to eat a hot meal. So here's my take on this curious backpacking option. Everything is included. All you do is slide the food pouch into the vent bag, add 3 to 5 ounces of water, and add the heating element. Done! It even comes with a spoon. While I've had better chilies before, this one hit the spot after some hard hiking. It's full of beans and flavor and was thick enough to tuck inside a burrito. You eat straight from the pouch, so there's no cleanup necessary. It's not a dehydrated meal, meaning it comes with the water weight. So it's heavy, 10 ounces heavy. Since this is the only one I've tried, I won't judge it too harshly. The veggie chili is a single serving, which was plenty of food for me. But if you're a big eater on trail, or you're a thru hiker in the midst of your hiker hunger, this might not be enough food for you. This product produces a lot of waste. It uses a lot of plastic and other materials, but I suppose you could reuse the spoon. Overall, this is a cool product that I will definitely use again. Like most gourmet backpacking meals, they aren't cheap. They run about $8 or $9 a piece. I enjoy the ease of stoveless cooking, but every so often, I do crave that warm meal. On a fall or spring trip, or as a treat every so often on a longer trail, this would be the perfect option. Whether you're new or old to this channel, I love you all for joining me today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified when I post my next video, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Small YouTubers like me appreciate it. I'm Fossey, the herbivore hiker. Thanks for watching.
Hey, the gorilla's loose!